Hello everybody, we're currently working on a 2020 Buick Envision. We are currently programming a new key. The computer takes about 12 minutes for the process to go through. It's hooked up to the OBD down there. This is a proximity key, so the way we do it is we put the key right there in the cup holder, which is the learning slot also. So once the machine finishes doing its thing, it's going to tell us to put the key in the slot, which that's it right there. And we're going to have to press the push to start button once, and then hopefully that message will say ready for fob 2, letting us know that it picked up the first key and now it's waiting for the second key. We are doing 2 keys today. Also, side note, this is the slot, the cup holder right here on most GMs is where you would put your fob if the battery died. So if your battery dies in the key, you obviously can't start it by pushing the button there because there's no battery in the fob for the signal to go to. So you lay it in there, and then you should be able to put your foot on the brakes and start your vehicle that way. So that's pretty much it. Buick Envision 2020. Thanks for watching.